Hey there YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the today's tutorial video. Here you see I'm currently installing the Delta Executor mobile on my iOS device, and this is the newest update I'm currently installing, and this version of the Delta Executor comes without key, so that means you are going to bypass the key system as well, so that you don't have to go through the hectic pop-up ads and paying anything for the key. Let me launch the Bloxfruit server and join it here. Okay, let it open the Bloxfruit first so that I can show you the preview of the Delta I have just gotten without the key. As you can see, I have installed the Delta Executor recently on my iOS device over here and here, and the asset is been downloading as well for the Delta. Okay, and here you go. As you can see, I don't have to go through the key system and activation key. I have just bypassed it, and this version of the Delta Executor actually comes without key. So what you need to do is pretty simple. Minimize everything you have opened and go to your web browser, go to this here robloxing.com. So guys, make sure you're spelling it right, robloxing, so that you can type into the right place. And here a lot of things you see here: Roblox tool and scripts, other executors. Let me go with the Delta Executor by tapping on it over here. Okay, and now it says account connection required. What I need to do is enter my Roblox username. That's my Roblox username, no file ready. Connect account over here. User found. The device is iOS. As you can see, the system already has detected, and that's my user ID for the Roblox, guys. Make sure. Okay, here, that's the important part, guys. You need to tap here so that you can get the newest version of the Delta, and here you can select the additional script if you want to get it without key. Okay, let me go with the red tab and overflow and tap on continue over here and preparing connection. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has started generating the unique app for the username I have just entered, and the device it has detected already, and the API is being connected for the user, no for ready, and the activation key also been generated in case if needed. Okay, as you can see, the last two digit of the activation key is being hidden. What I need to do next is tap on captcha verification given over here. Okay, so that I can complete the installation process and unlock the remaining part of the key. And now here it says the participate in the bot verification process by completing two tasks from the list below. That's actually very easy. What you need to do next is install two apps from the list given over here. After you install both the apps, sign up by using your Google account or your phone number and open both the app minimum for the 30 to 50 second, and you're all done. You will see Delta is been already installed on your home screen or started installing. Okay, that's how you can do that. You don't have to make any purchase on the app, you don't have to do any activity. You just need to open the app minimum for the 30 to 50 seconds, and you will see the Delta already been installed without the activation key. And if activation key window prompt, you will get the activation key unlocked as well. So guys, that's how you can get the newest version of the Delta Executor. Let me show you the preview. Okay, again, let me launch the Bloxfruit and search for the script required. Script I have just injected. Okay, taking some time to join the server, and here you go. Private team, and going with the here home, and here execute. So let's have 15 games. Okay, Let me search for more. Okay, guys, I'll do that later. So enjoy the tutorial video. Don't forget to share among your friends. And thanks for watching, guys.